This was never the way I planned, not my intention. I got so late, drink in hand, lost my discretion. Hey guys, welcome back to KatyCatCooks. I'm Ethan. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, and if you can tell, I still have I Kissed a Girl stuck in my head. I played it all day yesterday. Now, a few weeks ago, I got so brave, and I tried to make some gummies. They turned out perfect, and we haven't made anything I Kissed a Girl themed, and I Kissed a Girl put Katy on the map. So today, we're going to be making some red lip cherry chapstick gummies. So the things you'll need to make these I Kissed a Girl gummies will be 1 cup of your favorite gummy mix. I've got cherry here because I want it to taste like cherry chapstick. You'll need 1/4 cup of water, some lollipop sticks. I found these ones at Target, and they have cute little hearts on them. And you'll also need a lip mold. I'll put a link in the description below if you'd like to get this one too. These gummies are super easy to make. What we're going to do first is we're going to take all of our gummy mix and all of our water and put that into a microwavable safe bowl. I just got a measuring cup here because it has a pour spout, and that will help us later on. Just add both of your ingredients into the measuring cup. If you spill some, ain't no big deal. So we've just added our water and our powder, and now we're gonna mix it up until the mixture is nice and smooth. Oh, this sleeve is up higher than this one. Oh. Our gummy mixture is smooth, and now we're going to pop that into the microwave for 90 seconds. Our gummy mixture is out of the microwave, so now we can start assembling them. We've got the gummy mixture itself, the lollipop sticks, and our mold that we greased, so now let's put them together. Start by inserting your lollipop sticks about 1 inch into the mold. Then carefully add your hot gummy mixture until it covers the lollipop stick. We poured our gummies into the mold, and now we're going to pop these into the refrigerator for 1 hour to chill. Now you're going to have some gummy mix left over because that mold only makes 3 lips, but you could save this and reheat it and make some more lips, or you could just make 1 big gummy in here. But I'm curious for this, so I kind of want to try it. Let's see. I don't think it's as hot as it was. It tastes like a warm, Jell-O, which is really good. This is so yummy. I just popped our lips out of their mold, and they look so cute. This totally screams I Kissed a Girl to me. If you happen to make these, please send them to me on Instagram and Twitter at KatyCatCooks. I love seeing my Katy Perry creations come to life in your kitchen. Also, I want to know what is your favorite performance of I Kissed a Girl. There have been so many. I think right now mine is the performance from the iHeartRadio Music Festival with that rotating stage. I'll probably put a video in, and if so, it's right now. And if you have any other requests for another KatyCatCooks, please leave it down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to make it happen. Now, let's try these. Try you. Okay, here's the deal. It's a little kiss, no teeth. Ah! They're so gummy. Oh my goodness. This is so good.